つなぎます全部。
まあそれも素敵ですよね。なるほど。
All one company, all different artists. So their capacity is not that large for making. When you are in Venice, you can look out and see this island where they have made glass for God knows how many 100 years. But I think what's special about it is like all the colors and stuff is all like, there's no artificial things. It's all like color, like natural colors and so forth from something. Back until 2012, I started to make these dinners called, like these events called Danish Art and Culture, which were Danish artists coming out, and there was a beautiful dinner, and then art was showing at the second floor, flower school area. And that was sort of where I think it all started, where I got interested in it, where I could see also it attracts a very, very different audience than what we've had so far of customers. So I thought it was really interesting. And then I got more and more into it. And then actually it was when this space, after the jewelry company didn't work out, then this was basically a opportunity to do something different here. And I think this building is like an art piece on its own, right? So I thought it was a great opportunity to do something here.